So my wife just told me yesterday that when she leaves tomorrow, she's planning on taking our Coleman cooler. And the drain plug broke. So I'm here looking up, and I found this one. Looks simple enough. I have tonight to print it and hook it up so she can take it in the morning. So let's download this. All files. I'm probably gonna reuse the gasket that's currently on there. So let's have it open here. Let's just drop these in here and see how they fit. I mean, looks good enough to me. There we go. Let's slice it and send it over to Octoprint. All right, I have it loaded up in Octoprint here. It's look at the G-code viewer, and let's full send and see what happens. All right, here we go. They finished printing. Let's try to put them on and see how it works.